Hello everyone. Now let's proceed with our second video. So what is the topic in our second video is history of Java. So do you know why we are learning Java? If you don't know, then go through my first video. Then proceed with this history of Java. So when and why was Java developed? It was developed in 1991 and was created by James Gosling and his team. And it was started by Sun Microsystems. Okay. And later it got like Oracle bought the Sun Microsystem, why they bought and all those stuff you need not to deep dive into. So originally it was designed for embedded system and it was first called as Oak. Oak was later renamed to Java in 1995 and it became very popular because of internet and web applications. And now you can see most of the industries are using Java only. So let's discuss about Java and Sun Microsystem. Sun Microsystem originally officially released Java in 1995 and they released it with a slogan write once, run anywhere. He basically focused on platform independence, which we have discussed in last video. It was basically like platform independence is like you should have only JVM, then you can run your Java code anywhere because what the thing is, it works on OS and OS works on hardware and it needs to be on particular OS. Only JVM needs to be particular. Sorry, JVM is now. Let me tell you about a question that interviewers will confuse you with. Can you see my screen? When it comes about JVM and when it comes about Java. They'll ask you what is platform independent in both of them. You will say both are independent. No, you are wrong. JVM is always platform dependent. Mm, and Java is always platform independent. Did you get my point? No, no, I know you don't. I'll tell because I have not explained it yet. So, this is the one point that interviewer will ask you and you are going to fail. So keep in mind these both things. Why JVM is platform dependent? Because it needs to be on a particular operating system. We have already discussed in last video. If I'll show you, in last video we already discussed that we have a Java code that gets compiled to bytecode and bytecode is being run by JVM and JVM runs with in Java runtime environment and that resides on operating system. That means you should have a particular operating system. Okay, what not you. JVM should have a particular operating system. That's why JVM is platform dependent. But JVM don't run Java code, it runs bytecode and Java itself is platform independent because first it will get converted to bytecode, then it will run on JVM, and the JVM is running on a particular operating system. That's why it is platform dependent, whereas Java is platform independent, and without JVM, you cannot run your Java program. I hope now it will be clear. If it's not, you can ask me in comment box. I'll tell you there also. Also, Sun focused on security, and what third factor he focused is network-based application. And I know most of you don't know what does Sun focused on. You know Java is leading the world, but have you ever thought why they came up with the idea, how they came up, what factors they consider to bring Java? Now, what happened in 2010? Oracle acquired Sun Microsystems. After that, Java became Oracle Java. Then Oracle started maintaining Java, releasing new version, providing long-term support. But Java is still free to learn and use, especially OpenJDK. Currently, I guess OpenJDK version 21 is the longest term support version, but like you can check that on official website what is the longest term support version, and it is free to use and learn. So why Java is still relevant today, even after many new languages have come up in the market? Then why Java is so popular? Because it is used in every minor to major projects. If you talk about microservices, if you talk about backend support, if you talk about front end also, college students might not be knowing that GWT, that is very similar or kind of Java code only. Google Web Toolkit, that is for that also we are using Java. Cloud ready applications we are using Java. For excellent performance, for security, for maintaining code better. Everywhere we are using Java. So Java is still relevant today, and from uh, like I can guarantee till 20 years no language can replace Java. So one interview ready summary from this: Java is an industry-oriented, object-oriented programming language. I'll teach you what does I mean by object-oriented programming language. Widely used for application development, game development, enterprise system. It is platform independent due to JVM and follows the principle write once, run anywhere. Java was developed in 1991 by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems and officially released in 1995. Later, in 2010, Oracle acquired Sun Microsystems and now maintains the Java. So this is all about video second. I hope you like the video. If you have some doubts, you can comment down. Thanks. Bye bye.